guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Dr. Davis here, and I'm here to talk about some things that I really didn't get a chance to express or go over when I was doing my hotel tour video. So what I'm going to do before you jump into the video, I'm just going to go over a few things that literally enhance my trip, and I definitely feel like you will love it too, okay? So before we get started, what I want you to do is go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification button as well, okay? Thank you, thank you, thank you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. I get a lot of questions about you all asking me where did I book my hotels at. For this instance, I actually booked my hotel directly from the Westin site. I didn't do Expedia, I didn't do any other travel hotel bookings.com, whatever. I only booked at westin.com. So with that, with the fees and everything, a daily destination fee was included in my hotel fee. And when I checked in, I literally just kind of like bypassed this because one, I was exhausted because I just traveled from Las Vegas to New York, and I literally just wanted to like get in the room, shower, and go to bed, like literally, because I was just so tired. But I did not pay attention to this little card, and I feel like if you book at the Westin, make sure you read this card because this is going to really enhance your trip. So I pretty much participated in some of these activities kind of like my second day. When you decide to make your trip or plan your trip, you would actually have something to do. So with the daily destination fee, you would get $25 off food or beverage if you decide to do like room service for yourself or room service for your kids, but this is only per day. You would get a $10 laundry credit. So if you or someone on the trip spills something on their clothing, they will give you a $10 credit for you to wash your clothes. You will have premium Wi-Fi, which I know everyone wants premium Wi-Fi. You can also make long, local, or international calls for free. And you would also get a ticket to go see Ripley's Believe It or Not. So this is pretty much for one person per day. So if you wanted to go and then you might have somebody else to go, you can still buy tickets, but you will actually get one free one from the actual hotel. And you actually just go down to the front desk, and they will print out a ticket for you to walk across the street to go to Ripley's Believe It or Not. You will also get one day to decide if you wanted to do Hell's Kitchen, to go eat there, or you can do the double-decker tour bus. So that's something that I did not get to experience. So as many times I've been into New York, I've never experienced a double-decker bus. So I was just like, how could I not really look at this? Because that's something I wanted to do. And by the time that I did the Ripley's Believe It or Not, it was actually pretty late, so I didn't get a chance to participate in everything. So that is why I wanted to come on here and let you all know that this is some things that you can do to enhance your stay in New York City. Instead of just booking a room and you planning everything yourself, with the daily destination fee, which comes in your room price, you can plan out what you want to do for that day or that evening. So that's pretty much what I wanted to explain and share with you all before you jump into this video. So again, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, I'm in a new hotel. I'm in New York once again. This is kind of like my second home, but I had to come to New York for a meeting, and I decided again to stay in Times Square. I really like staying in Times Square because it's just accessible for like food and also different entertainment. So this is another Times Square hotel tour. Now, I would say this hotel that I'm staying at now, I'm staying at the Westin Times Square. This one is a bit bigger than the Marriott hotel that I stayed in last time when I was here for a conference. So this hotel in my room is much it has more space in it, so I can move around and like do a cartwheel if I wanted to in this piece. But let me just show you all. But I really like this one much better, and if I was to come back to New York and like stay a week or a weekend again, I would stay here because I really like it. And let me just get into the video so you can see everything. Okay. So when you walk in, I'm on the 20th floor, but when you walk in, this is kind of like the space that you would get. My bed is not made, all right? So don't talk about me. I was just laying in it. I was just laying down now. But this is the bedding area, and then this is kind of like my view here. So when I walk over to the window, you're actually seeing like buildings here, but over here to the left, this is actually where Times Square is, right over there. So I can literally go down the elevator and walk out the door and be in Times Square. So let me just show you the room. For lighting, you only have like the little lamps here and over there, and then over here, of course, you kind of have like your pull-out drawers and everything like that, and a desk area, and it's also a lamp here as well. We have like our closet here. They have a little robe in here. And yeah, this is the space that you have. And then when you come over here, the light is on. But when the light is not on, if you just open the door and walk in, it will automatically come on. But this is the bathroom here. And this is, of course, the shower area. Now, I want to show you all this. So with the shower area, you have two shower heads. You kind of have like the waterfall shower head, and then you have that one right up there. You have to be really careful also with this tub. So if you get in here playing, don't be mad if you fall now, because I done told you. I done told you. So you fall in here, that's going to be on you. This is the bathroom, and it's really spacious as well. It have all of the hair essentials there, and little knickknacks of towels and lotion and shampoo and conditioner up there as well. So when I get ready to go downstairs, what I'm going to do, I will just show you like the lobby area and how it's so close to like Times Square. You can just walk out there. And this is kind of like the little snack bar area here. You have some little snacks in here, and then when you open this, you have like different drinks in here as well. so now you are in the middle of Times Square. I went to Dallas Barbecue for lunch today. It was delicious. Alright you guys, so I see you all in my next video. Let me know when you come to New York.